Okay, good morning students. So welcome back to our class. This is your EVS class today. Okay, so I think all of you are ready with your EVS. So we will start. See here, we have I think we are doing page number 21. We have done up to page number 21, I think, yes, from chapter number 3, water or water. So we will start from page number 22. Yes or no? Yes. So let us begin. This is your EVS subject today, and we are doing chapter number 3, water or water. Chapter 3, water or water. This is your term 1 syllabus. Okay. Okay? Yes, okay. Dhriti, yes. You have opened. Abhimanyu, Shankalan, all get ready, eh? Okay, I think all of you have opened your book, EVS book, looking around. So we have discussed page number 21. Today we will start from page number 22. See here. Page number 22. Yes. And if anything you will write in the book, you will write only with pencil, remember. Now, see page number 22, color the pictures of those containers which you use for storing water. See some pictures of vessels, some pictures of some vessels are given here which are used for storing water. So you will color the pictures of those containers which you use for storing water. You will do this as your homework, and I will see, you will show me in the next class. Remember, you have to show me. Okay. You will color the picture which you use for storing water. Now, question is, in your notebook, draw pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house. If in your notebook means in your EVS copy, you will draw other pictures of the vessels or containers which are used for storing water. Suppose you are storing water in the water bottle. You will draw water bottle, you will draw it and color it in your EVS copy. You will you are storing water in the bottle. We are big 1 liter bottle or 500 ml bottle. We are storing also there. We are storing in the jug, beautiful decorated jug. We are storing there. You can also draw there. Okay. So, and write their names as well. This is also your homework. You will do in the notebook, means the EVS notebook. Now, question is, see, take a look at the pictures. You have to see the pictures again. All of you please follow the pictures above. Different vessels, pictures of different vessels given. If we fill them with water, see, I am writing it. Question is, take a look at the pictures. Take a look at the pictures. If we fill them with water, so number 1 is which will contain the least water. Take a look at the pictures. If we fill them with water, which will contain the least water? See, yes, anybody can tell the answer. See the picture, which will contain. See at the pictures, at the top of the pictures, you can see there this small tumbler, this small vessel, tumbler type. Okay, the small one, it will contain the less water. So I will write only tumbler, and you will write also the answer at the side of the question, which will contain least water, tumbler. See, the picture is given here in this way, this small. I am drawing it. Okay, this type, this small one. Okay, that is the tumbler. Okay, that is the tumbler. You will write tumbler. Now, question number 2, which will contain the most water? Which will contain the most water? Anybody? Yes, Daksha, very good. Correct that one. Which will contain the most? See the picture. See bucket, this one type of bottle, see with a small neck. This is a can, big can. So the bucket holds the most water. Very good answer. The answer is bucket. You can see there bucket. You will also at the side. After the question, you will write bucket with pencil only. First one is tumbler, second one is bucket. Now, how could you tell? Another question is given from them. How could you tell? That means, how could you tell that the bucket contains the most water? How can you tell? Answer, you know, it is very easy. Bucket, see, you can see that if you see the picture, see bucket is larger in size. Bucket size is very big than the tumbler size. Okay, so it will contain more water. So you will write in this way. Tumbler is smaller in size, than bucket. Therefore, contains the least water. Contains the least water. So you write in this way, tumbler is smaller in size than bucket, therefore contains the least water. You will write this in the book. See, there is a space at the bottom of page 22. You will write there. Yes, Abhimanyu, what happened? You write this, write what happened in your chat box. Anything happened? Okay. See, Shouris, you have written because bucket is big. You will not in there that this is not a good way of writing the answer. You will write what I have written. You can write bucket size is bigger than the tumbler, so bucket contains the most water. This way you'll write the full sentence every time. Okay. I think all of you have completed this one. Yes. We will go to the next page. Yes or no? All of you have completed? I want the answer. You please tell me in the chat box. All of you have completed? Okay, Daksha. Sankalan, quickly. Why no? You are telling no. Quick. This is a small answer. Therefore means, you know, don't know. Therefore means so. So or because. That's why. Therefore you do not know the meaning. Therefore means in place of therefore I can write so it contains the last word so, or that's why, that is the reason, this way. Therefore means that is the reason, or that's why, or so, same. Okay. Now we will go to page number 23. Okay, very good. Sankalan, I want your answer. Write fast. You will write this in your book itself with pencil. No need of writing this in your notebooks. Yes, very good. So I am rubbing this one. We will go to page number 23. Now page number 23. Okay. Chutki is confused. Your topic now, Chutki is confused. Chutki is confused. Okay, now you can see me. Srijita, yes. Okay. Page number 20. See here, I am reading some words, some sentences are there. See here, Chutki is confused. Hiren and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. Okay, we also feel thirsty. Let them feel thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers. See, this is a steel tumbler, means steel glass. Okay, we are drinking water or drinking milk. Also, we are using glass tumbler also. Mango panna is very good drink. But we love to drink this in the hot season. Okay, their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers, but Chutki wanted the drink only in a glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the panna into a glass tumbler, but Chutki was not happy. So Chutki's uncle poured the mango panna in a glass tumbler, but Chutki is not happy. Why? She complained, "Uncle, you have given me less panna." She thought, means Chutki thought that her uncle has given her less panna. Now the question is, what do you feel? Did Chutki's glass tumbler have less panna? Yes, I am writing this one. I am rubbing this one first. So I will write the answer, then I will tell you, explain you. What do you feel? Question is, what do you feel? Did did Chutki's glass tumbler have less panna? Okay. What do you feel? Did Chutki glass tumbler have less? See, you will write a space is there, white space in the book itself. See, after the question, you will write there. No. So, the answer will be no, Chutki's glass tumbler did not have less panna. Why? Because see here, the steel tumbler, it is long shaped, shape is longer, and this is, okay, means narrow, and this is the glass tumbler, this is a broad, shape is broad, see. So, the quantity is same, the mango panna quantity is same, see it is broad, the size is broad, no? Surface area is big, here the surface area of the glass tumbler is big, means it is broader in shape, see shape is broader, and this is a long shape, this glass tumbler. So, it will contain the same quantity of panna. See, I am writing, you will write no Chutki's glass tumbler did not have less panna. No, Chutki's glass tumbler did not have less panna. The amount is same or quantity is same. The amount is same. Okay, you will write in this way. Okay. Now there is another question from page number 23. Given in the grid are some places where water is found. See, one box is given and some words are there and there are letters in each box. Okay, some puzzle type. You know that key puzzle, keyword puzzle. It is called keyword puzzle. Given in the grid are some places where water is found. Here some of the places or some of the sources where water is found. Find 7 of them. You have to find 7 of them and put a circle around each one. Each one has already been done. So, I am drawing that box, okay, keyword puzzle box. I am drawing it. Let me draw. If that is question number 1, this is question number 2. Okay, I am drawing that one. Okay, Ayush, very good. You have answered it correctly. I am doing it once again.
Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So I am doing the box, you please see it. Everyone look at the board. So I have done the box, okay. Now follow everyone, then I will write the answer at the side. First one it is done, waterfall, you have circle it. With your pencil you will do. First one is waterfall, see. Second one is well, I can do the well here. Another well is there, see here well, I have done this one. Lake, then there is lake, okay. Then sea, then rain, then pond, then tap, okay. So waterfall, well, lake, sea, rain, pond, tap, these are different sources of water from where water we are getting. So I am writing the answer here. First one is waterfall, then well, then lake, sea, then rain, then pond, then tap, okay. See waterfall. So we will only circle one well. Why we will circle two wells? Only 7. You have to find it out. I have written here waterfall, well, lake, sea, rain, pond, and tap. Okay. See waterfall, well, this side well, left side, okay, lake, sea, rain, pond, tap. So this well, okay, then waterfall this one, then this well, then lake, then sea, then rain, then pond, then tap. So 7. You will do this in your book itself. Okay, Shankalan? You have complete, I think? Okay. So that's all for today, students. So in our next class we will continue with page number 24. Then we will solve the workbook of the EVS chapter number 3. Okay. So see you again in the next class. Thank you.